Hey folks, well done for getting on to day 3 of the Power 100 7-day challenge. So far you've made a list of your top 10 prospects that you would love to work with, and hopefully on day 2 you then reordered that list so that at the top of the list you had the people who you would most love to work with. One of the reasons why we're doing this is so that rather than having this mindset of casting the net out, which is what most people think around sort of marketing, and we also get very deeply ingrained in kind of the tactics, I suppose, of like Facebook this, LinkedIn that, etc., and posting and pushing stuff out. Whereas what we're trying to achieve through this Power 100 exercise is to create some pull. So we're trying to attract prospects who we want towards us in our business so that they engage with us, and then at that point we can then have that conversation with them where we get the opportunity basically to pitch our product or service to them. So today's exercise is really simple. Literally all I want you to do is now choose 3 people off that ordered prioritized list of 10 prospects that you feel you would have the most chance of contacting. So I want you to start at the top of the list and say, because it might be that you've got, like, I don't know, Gary Vaynerchuk, Simon Sinek, and you're probably all thinking, who the heck are these guys? Waite and a few other people on that list, but they may be slightly inaccessible. You may not actually be able to get to them. So now what I want you to also now think about is choosing 3 people who you feel you could get access to in the easiest possible way. So that's it. That's all I literally want you to do. I want you to get write down the names and business and the contact information now of the 3 businesses who you're going to contact, and then I'll see you on day 4.